Welcome to Epic Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remix a song using DaVinci Resolve's Music Remixer, which is available in the studio version on both desktop and iPad. The Music Remixer utilizes the DaVinci AI Neural Engine to intelligently split a music track into individual stems of vocals, drums, bass, guitar, and other, which lets you do some really neat things. For example, strip the vocal track from a song so you're left with an instrumental version.
One thing you gonna learn about me, ain't nobody putting word like me. Can't drip, can't sauce like me, ripping it up.
Or adjust the levels of a single instrument, for example the guitar, until you find the perfect balance. This is one of my most used features in Resolve, so let's dive in and learn how to use it. I'm going to be working on a real project, and I grabbed this track from Artlist, which I like a lot. Let's take a listen to it. I'll add it to my timeline beneath my dialogue audio track, and I'll reduce the volume so it doesn't drown out the dialogue. If you're thinking about grabbing the new iPhone 16 Pro for filmmaking, now here it works less well because it's a very busy guitar riff throughout and it's more distracting than I'd like, and I feel it doesn't let the primary dialogue track breathe. So what I can do is tap to select the music track, then under the Inspector Audio Tools, I'll enable Music Remixer, and you will only see this feature if you're using the studio version of Resolve. If you're on the free version, it won't appear. Next, so you can really hear the effect, I'll solo the music audio track, and now I can reduce the guitar stem gradually until it's less prominent. And the DaVinci AI Neural Engine really does an excellent job of just affecting the guitar and nothing else. Okay, so that sounds better now. I'll unsolo the track, and now we can hear the primary dialogue track has more room to breathe. Exactly how I'd invest it for an iPhone filmmaking setup. If you don't just want to lower the volume of a particular stem, we can mute it entirely. I'll tap Mute Guitar, and now the guitar is completely removed from the mix. First, I'd buy a second-hand 256GB iPhone 15 Pro on eBay for around 1,369 AUD. In my opinion, this is the only iPhone you need for, and these same techniques apply to all the other stems. For example, I have another track from Artlist which I like, but it's very heavy on the bass. And as I have quite a deep bassy voice, it really clashes with the dialogue. This is without a doubt the smartest investment you will ever make as a filmmaker. So instead of using EQ to cut the low end, which would also affect the kick drum, I can just select the audio track and then use the Music Remixer to dial back the bass only, giving my voiceover less competition in the mix. This is without a doubt the smartest investment you will ever make as a filmmaker. I found a discounted version for 430 AUD, which leaves me. Lastly, let's look at how effective Music Remixer is at completely stripping the vocals from a track. Imagine that you find a song that you want to use, but there's no instrumental version available.
8 points later, I thought it was about time we hit the finish.
All good, we'll make the instrumental version ourselves. Just select the track, then mute the vocals.
I wasn't winning at all. My talks right from your heart, I laid them down before your eyes.
Pretty incredible, right? I hope this tutorial helped, and if it did, please like and share the video and subscribe to the channel for more. Any questions, I'll respond in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.